Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be putting on a kinky straight U-part wig on my hair, and this wig is from no other than Beauty Forever. I've worked with them so many times before and I really love their hair. With the wig, they sent me this stocking cap, and I know what I'm gonna be doing. It's a U-part wig, not a headband wig, but they also sent me this headband. And last but not least, they also sent me a pair of 3D lashes. This is the wig, guys. It is a 24-inch U-part kinky straight natural black wig. It comes with 4 clips in it, 2 in the sides, 1 in the top, and 1 in the back of it. The texture is really soft. It's really nice and fluffy. I think it's 180% density. I'm not 100% sure, but I will leave that in the description box so you guys could check that out. Before I put the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and blow my hair out. Now I'm going to take out a small section in the front, and this will be my leave out. I'm also gonna go ahead and take out a little bit at the side. This I don't usually do, but I feel like doing it today just so it could look a little bit more natural and I could do more with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair into one in the back because the hair I'm going to put on is fluffy. It's a big hair. It's not like it's straight and flat, so it can definitely take a little bit of bump under it. And this is what it looks like in the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut these 2 strings out. I only cut one side so far off camera because I wanted to show you guys me cutting the other one just to give y'all an idea of exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on. First, I'm going to hook the clip that's directly in the top, in the center part of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the sides. So as I pin them in, I go ahead and adjust them the way I like them because, you know, I want it to sit a certain way on my head, not too far onto my forehead or not too far back. So I had to adjust them while I'm, you know, doing it just to make sure it sit right. I realized after I was clipping the hair in that I could have parted my leave out going further back, but I mean, it was a little bit too late for that and it worked out anyway. So I mean, it's whatever works. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run my flat iron through it real quick. I'm not gonna go through it too much, just so it will blend with the Kinky straight wig a little bit. Now I'm gonna go over it with the blow dryer one last time just to blend everything in together. Now I'm gonna tie my hair down so it could stay nicely in place while I do my makeup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. How beautiful it is. I am so in love with it, mainly because it is so full, so big. I think it's a beautiful hair, and it's not heavy on my head either. It's very lightweighted, it's fluffy, it's soft, so it is just everything. Because I had the leave outs on the side, I could easily brush it back. I could put it in a ponytail and it still looks so natural. You know, you're not going to see no wig nowhere. So definitely go check out Beauty Forever for your own unit because they got some good stuff. I will leave all the information in the description box below, so definitely check it out so you guys could easily find this wig. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, please let me know down below. I will definitely get back to you as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. I want to say a big thank you to all you guys that have been subscribing to my channel. Welcome aboard. You're gonna like it here. I really appreciate you hitting that subscription button. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Also, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!